Hello, I'm the artist Theodora and I'm painting with ZenART Supplies. Today we're painting something that is intended to pay homage to Remembrance Day, or as commonly known as Poppy Day. Poppies are the main symbol of this day, but do you know why? The poppy's origin as popular symbol lies in the landscapes of the First World War, where they grew. They flourished in the soil where the blood of the soldiers was spilled. These flowers flourished in the middle of so much chaos and destruction. Therefore, the poppy is a symbol of hope. Remembrance Day honors those who serve to defend our democratic freedom and way of life, and of course to honor the memory of those who fell in their efforts. A way for the people to honor the memory of the soldiers is to wear a pop brooch once every year on November. That is about a century-old tradition that started with a poem written by John McCrae, a lieutenant colonel of the Canadian Expeditionary Forces, who just lost his friend in the war, and he was so moved by the sudden bloom of the flowers. The poem was called In Flanders Fields. In Flanders Fields the poppies blow, between the crosses row on row. This November, wear your poppy with pride.